Today I'd like to talk with you about the Creuset Stoneware rectangular dish and platter. It's a two-piece set, as you can see. This one is the Caribbean color, which I absolutely love. So it's kind of like a turquoise. Again, stoneware. You can use it in the oven, but you can also use it in the microwave. You can also use this in the freezer. You can also use it in the broiler. And guess what? This is actually dishwasher safe. So there's the bottom, nicely quality made, high glaze stoneware. You can use this for casseroles, right? You can use it for something like enchiladas. Can you imagine? And it's just gonna be really easy to clean for you. This is about 10 pounds, so you wanna be careful when you're handling it. But what's great about this is that it easily cleans, but there's so many different colors and choices available that you definitely find something you like. So you can go ahead and put your food on top. You can put it to cover and put it in the oven like this, so you don't have to use foil paper. But then again, once it's finished, look at what you can do. You can have like your chicken or casserole, whatever in here. Take this off, and if there's something that goes alongside with it, you can just serve it on the side. So this is gonna be a great gift for kitchen lovers, new homeowners. If you just wanna do something beautiful and classic in your kitchen, I highly recommend this piece. It goes from oven to freezer to microwave, dishwasher safe, really easy to use, really pretty, and you definitely should put it in your cart.